Okay, this tutorial will be for the remainder of lesson 16, namely 16A and 16B. There's only a couple things I need to show you. Most of it is based on the linear dimension tool, which is just this bottom one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this first dimension. And I just kind of etch a sketch this little drawing over here. As you can see, that's 1.113 inches tall. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do some of these other ones right here, namely the baseline dimension. So I use linear for my first one down here, and now for baseline I can go ahead and click on this, and it realizes that that's what I want to use as my baseline. So now I can click on this one, click on this one, click on this one, click on this one, and click on this one, and hit escape. And as you can see, I do have a 1/16 of an inch gap in between my extension lines, and everything is set up exactly how class style dimension style should be set up. So that is how you use baseline. Just do one linear, and then you can click on baseline, and it will all be based off of the same line on the bottom. Okay, so that is baseline dimensioning. Other than that, we have this one up here known as continue, which that one will continue where this one left off. So I can go ahead and click there, click there, click there, click there, and it is continuing all the way up. So there is a difference between baseline and continue dimension, but those are two very useful tools that you should be aware of. Okay. Other than that, I just want to draw a circle and show you a couple things that you should be aware of. Number one, as far as drawing center lines go, this is a great tool now using center mark and just clicking on this right here, clicking on the circle. It will draw the center lines for you, and then you can change it. You can change these to center lines, and it would look something like that. So no longer do you have to draw the center line. You can simply just click on the outside of this, click on center line, click on the outside of the circle, and it will draw them for you. And probably the best way to do that is put it on the center line layer, click on the center mark button, click on the edge of the circle, and boom, they are drawn for you. And as you can see, they extend beyond the object line, and they are drawn perfectly for you. Other than that, we have here's the radius button, and I should probably put it back on the dimension layer. I'm going to click on the radius button, and I click on this, and there you have it. That circles a radius of 2.527, and here's the diameter one, which this one is a diameter of 5.054. So there you have it as far as the couple things go with radius and diameter. So a couple things that should help you out with lesson 16. Make sure in lesson 16C and 16D you follow the directions, you remember how to stretch things, and make sure you make those changes of the options that it tells you to do. You may have to do it a couple times, but also make sure you have you do it in the steps that they tell you to do it, and you should be just fine. Okay. Thanks for watching, and this should be the last tutorial that we go over for the semester.